I'm Lamar Freed, and I'm founder and lead engineer of Adafruit Industries. We're actually making electronics, doing manufacturing here in downtown Manhattan, which is super exciting. And what we do is we take sensors and microcontrollers and devices and GPSs and all those technologies that you love in your phone, in your music player, in your car, on your bicycle, and we make it really easy for students and engineers to use that technology and to create the new technologies of the future. Adafruit Industries does high-tech manufacturing. So we're using the latest technologies and shipping them around the world. So it's really important that we make sure that whatever we ship is to only people that are cleared to get that technology and use it. Before we had visual compliance, we were manually checking each order. And this was possible when we were a really small company. We started back in 2005. So the first few years, we did manual screening. And you can do that when you have a couple dozen orders a day. But eventually you can't grow your business if you keep doing manual screening. We ship up to 500 to 1,000 orders per day, so it's easily 30,000 orders per month. That's something I don't want to have to spend manually screening each one. At some point, I was like, I can't do this manual screening anymore. I need to find something that will do it in an automated fashion. So we talked to our council and we talked to a lot of other companies that sell similar products, and everyone said, hey, check out visual compliance. Visual compliance was really easy to integrate into our existing ERP and sales platform. So now we have an automated way to check every order as it comes in. There's no manual screening. We only have to go in when there's a flag and we have to check to make sure whether that's a hit or not. The solution we use for visual compliance is the integrated API solution. That's because we have our own web storefront and we have our own back-end ERP system to track all of our orders. So the easiest way to do it was basically to have it automatically screen every order as the order comes in and right before the order ships out. Getting visual compliance integrated with our front and back end web store is actually pretty easy. I think it only took a couple weeks. We had a couple tests. There's a nice staging service that visual compliance offers. And then once we had it integrated, it was really, really easy to train people. Basically, when they have an order, if it's flagged, it pops up into a different email queue, and then we can check over that order manually, which might take a little more time, to verify whether or not that order should be canceled. We take compliance very seriously. In fact, we've even had a government subpoena because they were looking for customer information based on a specific order. And after we went through that process, they actually came to us and said, wow, you guys do an excellent job with compliance. And part of that was having visual compliance in place. Most of the educational electronics we sell and manufacture here are not strongly export controlled. A lot of them are buttons and LEDs that are EAR99, so you can basically ship them anywhere that isn't a denied person or country. We do have some sensors that might be export controlled, such as a thermal camera. You can't ship that outside the United States. So visual compliance is a piece of the puzzle. We use it as well as checking through each product and making sure we have correct tariff information and correct ECCN information for each product. So these work together. We have a wide range of solutions to maintain all the compliance throughout the company.